It was amazing yesterday.
Yeah, it's
really good out there.
It's after that.
Yeah, exactly. Can we? I wish we could. I've said this before. Just kind of hit pause after today for a little while and try and enjoy these 50s. So yeah, we're going downhill. Things are kind of spiraling in a bad direction as far as our temperatures and the possibility for some precipitation. So kind of a wet, cold weekend coming into play, or I should at least say unsettled, but especially if you're going to be on those higher elevations. So weather headlines: dry today, but rainy by tomorrow. I think the potential for showers exists through the day tomorrow. Better window looking to be the afternoon and evening, but good rule of thumb: bring the rain gear with you tomorrow. Probably keep it with you early Saturday too, and then maybe round 2 coming into play for us Sunday into Monday. So basically what's happening, we have a series of storms setting up in the Pacific, and one of them, they kind of want to take aim and parade through here one at a time in the Pacific Northwest. So it could be an active next week or so. We could also be talking about a rain snow mix. I hate throwing that term up there, but just want to make you prepared. We could be talking about our first snowflakes even at some of the lower valleys this weekend. So 50s today and tomorrow. I'd be surprised if we actually maybe get up to 57. It all depends on the timing of this cold front. Once this thing swings through, everything changes. The temps cool off. Those snow levels drop pretty significantly. Going to allow for some decent mountain snowfall and also that possibility for the rain snow mix around here. From there, we're stuck in the 40s Saturday through Monday of next week. By the way, 43 will be the coldest temp we've seen since February 28th of 2017. So very cold day on the way for next Monday. So coldest area of the season filtering in, and of course we combine it with the wet weather. So kind of a 1-2 punch here. We've got 2 rounds of this. The first one, again, looking most likely that we'll see a wet day on Friday, carrying over into very early Saturday. Models now showing we might shut off the precipitation by Saturday afternoon, which could be a good thing for anything you've got going Saturday afternoon. Round 2 looking to come in later Sunday into early Monday. And again, this too, the temps are going to be cold enough Sunday night that we could be talking again about that rain snow mix scenario. But I think just a good idea, keep the umbrella handy Friday through Sunday this weekend, because we could be running into hit or miss showers throughout the weekend. Satellite and radar looking pretty quiet right now. A few snow showers developing along the Camas Prairie this morning. Most of the action off to our north, and here's the core of our storm setting up off the Pacific coastline here. This is going to bring again mostly valley rain Friday into Saturday, higher elevation snow, but that cold front could change things for us around here with the rain and snow. We're not talking about accumulation though. I want to be clear about that. Not expecting any of that. But temperatures, watching what happens tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon. Again, we climb into the low, maybe mid 50s by early afternoon, and then watch what happens. Just look at the colors from the northwest down to the southeast. Watch how they change very quickly. That literally is the cold front sliding in, dropping our temps into the 30s overnight into early Saturday. So that's going to be the window when you start to see those low to mid 30s that we could be looking at that nice mix of precip. So timing things out again today through the afternoon, could see some of the snow showers developing in our northern mountains. Snow level about 5,500 feet today, meaning some of the mountain valleys may be picking up half an inch to an inch of snow. Worst case scenario, everything's going to be a little bit hit or miss. There comes the core of our storm, and you can see that cold front starting to line up there. The showers holding off for us into Friday, and I think it's mostly again going to be Friday afternoon and evening. But before that, don't rule out stray showers in the morning. So even for your commute, I would say bring the umbrella with you. Snow showers continuing in the higher elevations Friday afternoon, Friday evening. Keep the rain gear handy. Looking like that'll be our best window for some wet weather, some more widespread precip, decent amount of rain, and then by early Saturday we clear out. But you can kind of see some of those purple colors starting to mix in, those pinks down here at the lowest valleys very early Saturday. That's the chance for the rain and snow. Then there comes our next storm. That one will hold off until late Sunday into Monday, but we could be looking at anywhere from, I'd say, 1/4 of an inch to maybe half an inch of rain if we're lucky with this storm system Friday into Saturday. Highest amounts of precipitation, of course, will be in the Boise and west central mountains, but some of that could come in the form of snow up in those higher elevations. So again, Boise State, I have the wrong team there. Again, excuse me, it's Nevada. That's the last game's forecast. But 40s early on, 30s by the end of the game. We should be dry. That's the nice thing, starting to see these models lining up to hint that we could actually dry out by Saturday afternoon when you're out tailgating. So today, no rain in the cards, just mostly cloudy with a high of 59. Pretty calm, pretty simple. From there, it does get a little more complicated. Again, we're in the 50s tomorrow, but 40s by Saturday. Then we stick with the 40s all the way into early next week with possible rain and snow showers early Saturday, and then again late Sunday into Monday.
Okay, after the nice temperatures, if you thought maybe